Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, let's remove Microsoft OneDrive in your computer together. Okay? So let's get started. First is you need to open your File Explorer. Just double tap to open, and the moment you select that, just click the This PC here at the left side and double tap to open, and once you open your drive, go for users. So the moment you open your users, select the user account that you want to save. Okay? Once done, just simply click anywhere. These are the files, actually, the data present in your user account. So in order to save that, just click anywhere, Control A, Control C to copy, and then minimize this and then do a right click, or you can simply do Control V to paste and then click this. So the moment you click that, your folders, your datas will be saved here. Okay? So let's just wait for this to finish. And skip those files in use. Okay? Here, as you can see, your data and files is in your desktop. Okay, after that, let's move to the next step, which is to search for add or removed programs. Let's just wait. Okay, and then here under the best match, just double tap to open. And then you will be redirected to the list of apps present in your computer. Okay, just simply scroll down and look for Microsoft OneDrive. Let's just wait everything to load. Okay, just have to locate for Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, here aligning this, you can see three dots here. Just simply click that and go for uninstall. So the moment you click uninstall, it will ask you to say yes. Just go with a yes and it will be uninstalled in your computer. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video tutorial. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated into our upcoming videos. Bye bye.